Well, good morning, everybody, or afternoon or evening, depending on when you're seeing this. It is cold here this morning. My goodness. I stuck my nose out to get a breath of fresh air and darn near froze it off. Came right back in, got myself some hot tea. So, whatever the temperature is where you are, if you're cold, get warm, okay? Now, we start a new series today. This is going to be a sunrise picture. And we're going to start off with an interesting three-tiered sky. So let's head on over to the easel and get our sky in. Okay, this is watercolor. I'll meet you there. Hi, everybody. I told you I'd meet you here, and here I am. Here you are. Here we are. We're ready for our next project. It's going to be kind of a fun sunrise, okay? And we're going to have a three-tiered sky. And I know that sounds kind of dangerous, but actually it's kind of fun, okay? We're going to take some blue with some different shades, different flavors of blue in it. Okay, we're going to put it here like that, just like that. Okay, now we're going to come into just water, okay, just water, and we're going to make that blue area just do its thing. We're just going to let it meld into itself, just like that. Okay, there. Okay, I know we're a little soupy down here, but that's okay. Now, excuse me, we're going to go into some orange. We're going to let the orange and that blue hook up, just like this, just like that. We're going to let that orange come down, like that. This is orange and red, and a little bit of brown, okay? Just like that. And now for the last part of this old sky, we got some yellow, okay? We're going to let the yellow and that orange mix up just like that, okay? And this is the beauty of watercolor. It just does wonderful things if we just let it do its thing. Now, I'm going to go into a lighter yellow, just like this. And this is pretty much going to take care of our sky. See there? Look how simple that was. Okay, now tomorrow we'll start working on some background. Okay, so be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the link so you get all notifications there on YouTube. And remember to comment. We need those. And remember above all else that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. All righty. There. That sky went in pretty doggone quick. Pretty doggone good. I'm happy with it. Now, if you be with me tomorrow, we'll go ahead and start putting in some background. And we'll have this painting done lickety-split, okay? So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that link, leave me comments. Oh my goodness. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.